As NEET MDS 2022 exam date has been announced, we're launching a special batch and crash course keeping these 2 months in mind. You can find all the details in the description part of the video or check our website ptbdacademy.com. Hi, hope you guys are all doing great. Finally, we have some good news. So NEET MDS 2022 exam date has been announced and it is going to be conducted on May 2nd, 2022. So as expected and as discussed in our latest video, so the exam has been scheduled in the month of May. So this is definitely great news for almost all the aspirants who have been eagerly waiting towards this day. So let's go through the notification which is available in the official website natboard.edu.in. So as you can see, revised date for conduct of NEET MDS 2022, reopening of application window. So first point, in continuation of NBEMS notice dated 18th Feb 2022, NEET MDS 2022 shall now be conducted on 2nd May 2022, 9 AM to 12 PM. I hope you made a note of the same. So the online application window for submission of applications of NEET MDS 2022, which was closed on 24th Jan 2022, shall now be reopened as per details mentioned below in order to enable desirous candidates to apply for NEET MDS 2022 in the view of revised cutoff date for internship completion, which is now 31st July 2022, and they have given the timeline of events, important dates. So reopening of registration window 21st March to 30th March, and edit window, selective edit window, issuance of admit cards on 25th April 2022, and most importantly the date of examination 2nd May 2022. Let's hope the exam would be conducted as per this given schedule. Right? And this is one of the questions which I'm sure majority of the aspirants would have, especially those who have already submitted their application form and are looking for editing the same. Unfortunately, it's not possible according to the given information here. So candidates who have already submitted their applications and successfully paid the examination fee of NEET MDS 2022 during 4th Jan to 24th Jan time period shall not be allowed to edit their applications during aforementioned windows. So this is for those who are planning to register now, fresh registrations or new registrations. And also they're given the links to their helplines. So for any queries, contact NBEMS candidate care support. They're given the phone number, they're given the mail ID, and also they're given you the link if you need any further assistance or guidance from their side. Also, you can feel free to get back through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. We'll do our level best to provide you all guidance necessary, right? So definitely this is great news for all NEET MDS 2022 aspirants. Work hard, work consistently, and most importantly, do believe in yourself. You have 2 months time, which is ample enough to either restart your preparation or complete your revision or comprehensively go through as many topics as possible within this given time period. Consider this as second chance, and remember, second chance can be made a superb chance. So it's all in you. Wish you all the best. Love you all.